What's up, guys? John the Diesel Man back here at nydiesels.com. What you're looking at is the breakdown of an MV5600 manual 6-speed transmission for a Cummins diesel Dodge Ram truck. This is what we do with all of our 6-speeds, all of our 5-speeds, all of our automatics. I got the best guy in the game, transmission game, 35 years experience, builds everything, mostly semi-truck transmissions, but everything down to the smaller diesel trucks. And so what we're showing you right here actually is the whole inside the transmission. As you can see there's a main shaft, and it's got some wear on it, broken teeth and such. But what I want you guys to know is that we completely go through our transmissions, and if you need a 6-speed, 5-speed, whatever you need, call me today. I have them. If you need yours rebuilt, call me today. I got the, we're going to go right through these things, soup to nuts. When you get a truck from somebody else, you don't know what you're getting. These things can ride and drive good. You don't know that you got bearing wear. You don't know that they've been hot. You don't know things are smoked inside. 607-423-7729 or John at nydiesels.com. Keep your turbo spool and call me today for all your transmission needs.